From Utah, couple 148, Chase Baldwin and Jessica Kirka. In 5th place, from Utah, couple 215, Jared Carey and Alexis Pollock. In 4th place, from Washington, couple 516, Peter Kraschev and Janine Ruffle. In 3rd place, placing 4th in Cha-Cha, 3rd in Samba, and 4th in Rumba. From Utah, couple 301, Jose Esquivel and Chanel Coles. In 2nd place, placing 2nd in Cha-Cha, 1st in Samba, and 2nd in Rumba. From Utah, couple 663, Clinton Noyes and Kayla Bradley. And your adult pre-championship, Latin 3 dance champions, placing 1st in Cha-Cha, 2nd in Samba, and 1st in Rumba. From New York, couple 805, Andrew Sim and Henry Cobb Hines.
That is true.